What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Claude Mort and I am the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell all-in-one organic seasoning, organic cooking base, hot pepper sauce, and so much more. We also make organic cremas that is only available during the holiday. So for this summer, I decided to do a mini series of quick and easy burger recipe. I just relaunched my business and I decided, hey, what is the best way to introduce some of my product by putting quick and easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please remember to subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today I have a quick and easy recipe for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any question, you have any suggestion, please remember to put them in the comment below, and I will also make sure that I add everything that I use in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, so for this recipe we are using the organic jerk marinade. This jerk marinade is an all-in-one and it is a burst of flavor. This jerk marinade has allspice, ginger, organic garlic, bell pepper, scallion, all the good stuff. A little bit goes a long way, and if you are making a lot of burger, feel free to adjust the seasoning. And for this seasoning guys, when you are using it, you don't need to add any extra salt because this jerk seasoning is very strong and it also has a little kick to it. And as you can see, I just marinate the meat and for my patty, I am using an indoor electric grill that I got from Amazon. I'm going to make sure I put the description of the link below in the description section. And guys, as you can see, I just put the patty in there and I'm just going to cook the meat, and it's up to your liking how you want the meat to be. If you want it medium well, if you want it well done, it's up to you. And guys, this sauce I love to do. It is a spicy mayo that I enjoy to do, and I like to do it with my organic pineapple hot pepper sauce. I also have an organic mango sauce, but I'm using the pineapple for this recipe. And I just take some mayo, some ketchup, and I take the hot sauce and just mix it together, and it takes my burger to a whole other level. And guys, this is when the burger is ready and I'm just putting things together. I just put the spicy mayo that I make on the bun, and I added some cheese on the burger because I wanted some cheese as well. And this is how it looks like when I'm putting the burger together. And I add some onion, and I also add some bell pepper. I wanted to take a shot on me adding them, and somehow I forgot to record that part. And look at it, the burger looks so juicy. This is me showing you guys how juicy the burger looked, and it was so delicious. This is the final result guys. I hope you try this recipe, and please make sure you tag me and make sure you comment below on how you like this recipe. And sorry if you hear my baby in the background, I have a 10-month-old, so we have to work with what we have. And this is the final result, and it is so juicy. I really hope you love and try this recipe, and I cannot wait to see how yours turn out. Okay guys, that's it for this easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please remember to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.